Hi, this is my simple recipe for candied orange peel. Homemade candied is so aromatic, so different than you can buy from the store. You need only 4 ingredients: fresh oranges, white sugar, some water and vanilla extract. Okay, I cut the orange from one end to the other end. Next up, I put of them. Cut orange peel into thin strips. I think that this form is more convenient. Pour boiling water over the orange peel and boil for 3 minutes. Then I drain them and repeat everything 2 more times. This helps remove some of bitterness from the peels. Next step, I need to prepare syrup. I'm mixing white sugar, water and vanilla extract. You can add star anise and ginger root too, but I prefer with vanilla only. Boil the syrup for about 4 minutes. Then I mix the peel with syrup and simmer for 2 hours. Preheat the oven to 19 degrees. Put the peel on the cooking rack and dry in the oven for 2–3 hours. Candied fruit are great both for baking and just with a cup of tea or coffee. Enjoy your meal!